Hi guys, it's Pixie and welcome back to Little Kelly and Friends Toy Channel. Today I'm joined again by my niece Amelie.
Hi guys!
And what are we doing today, Amelie?
Today we're doing Play-Doh DohVinci party prop.
How awesome! Let's get started. So guys, here is the front of the box for our Play-Doh DohVinci party props. How awesome! Look at all those gorgeous colours. This is going to be so much fun, Amelie.
Yeah, it's going to be so much fun decorating mustaches and party hats.
Excellent. And here is the back. So it just gives you an idea of all the different party props that you can make with your Play-Doh. So cool. And this pack also comes with 2 of the little squeezy guns and so many different colours to choose from. So that is so awesome. Let's get started, guys. So guys, here is all of the stuff out of the packaging. As you can see, it is super bright and colourful and it looks so awesome. I can't wait to get started. So here we have all of our colours. We have 12 different colours Play-Dohs to use. We have our 2 guns. There are 12 sticks here as well to attach to our different props, our party props. And there are 12, there's 2 sheets here and there's 12 different party props to decorate, and it also comes with instructions. So let's get started. So I have picked the purple gun and Amelie is going with the pink one.
The pink one!
And out of the 2 props, Amelie, what are you going to start with first?
The mustache.
Oh, good choice. So let's pop this out. So it just pops out like so. And Amelie is going to decorate the mustache. You see there, guys? So what colour are you going to use for the mustache? There is no brown.
He's going to be fancy with an orange.
Orange.
Fancy.
Awesome. What am I going to decorate? What should I decorate, Amelie? What do you think?
What about...
something that's not going to take me like forever because I will be so slow at this probably.
Why don't you do the lips?
Oh, that's a good one. Yes, I will do the lips. You do a mustache and I do the lips. I'm going to do these guys, these lips right here on my face. Okay. So you just dropped your mustache.
Yes, I dropped my mustache.
So there's so many different colors, guys. It's so awesome. You can choose from an array of different colors.
So it's like a big rainbow.
Yep. So what will I use? Will I use pink or purple? I use pink. So how do you do this now? You know you've done this before, haven't you? So you have to click the lid off and it goes into the gun like this. So the lid is off and it goes in like this.
Goes like that, and then you have to like, there's this little bit and you have to like, so that's the back side of it.
Oh, I see. So you have this little stick that pokes inside and then you start to push the Play-Doh. Oh look, you can see it. It's coming through. Just like that. Awesome. Okay, let's give this a go.
Pew pew. Got my gun.
We got some guns.
I'm a sheriff.
Right, let's see who can get going first. I think this is fun. I like it. And it's not that difficult to push out, is it? It's not as difficult as the last time you were saying.
Yeah.
Is it this time a bit easier? I'm liking this, guys. This is gonna be fun when it's all finished.
Keep having to like cut it off and...
Oh, that's so good. Well done.
This is so much fun.
Isn't it? I thought it was going to be really difficult, but it's actually turning out to be quite good.
Quite easy.
Yeah. So guys, I'm just changing the colour, so I'm just going to put the lid back on and then change to a different colour. I think I'll go purple. So this is what my lips are looking like so far. So I just need to fill in the middle part. Amelie, how is your mustache? Oh,
finished!
Awesome! Look at Amelie's mustache. How cool! Love it, Ams.
So I think I'm going to do another one.
Yeah, absolutely. What other one do you want to pick?
Okay, I'll pick. I think I'm going to go with this cute little bow.
A dicky bow. That'd be good.
It can be like a hair bow as well.
It could, yeah, absolutely.
Guys, I'm just going to change my colors. I'm actually going to put my...
Kind of hard to see when it's lined
I'm actually
in.
going to do like a really... I'm not going to kind of follow the colors. Guys, I'm not following the colors. I'm just doing my own colors.
Absolutely, do whatever you want to do. It's your time to shine.
To shine.
And use your imagination and get creative. Will I put the stick on for your mustache?
Yeah, thanks.
There you go. Let's have a look. Very cool. Okay, what else could I do? I could do a patch for my eye. What do you think?
Yeah, that'd be pretty cool.
I'm gonna fix the glasses.
I'm gonna switch. I'm not just gonna open it. It's really cute. Color.
I'm gonna do this eye patch, guys. Oh, I can see the skeleton of the skull inside. I'm really enjoying this.
So they are finished.
Awesome! Look at Amelie's bow, guys. How cool does that look? So cool, Anne. Well done. You gonna do another one?
Yep. See my choices. I'm gonna do big one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm gonna try this tiara.
You're a brave girl. So guys, there are my glasses. Star-shaped glasses, all finished.
Very funky.
What do you think, guys?
Very funky.
Very funky. Oh, I need to put on a little stand for you. For your dicky bow. Or your hair bow, whatever you want. There we go. There's Amelie's. Oh wow, that is so cool, Amelie. So guys, Amelie and I have finished with our Play-Doh DohVinci party prop set. How awesome. Let's show you what we've made. So here are my glasses, like so. Oh, green glasses, how awesome. And then I made some lips. And I also made an eye patch. Arr, me mateys. So Amelie, let's see what you made.
I made a tiara.
Oh, that is just so gorgeous.
And I made a mustache. Imagine a princess with a mustache.
I know. What else did you make?
I made a bow and I kind of went a bit creative. It could be a bow or it could be a dicky bow.
Very nice. Let's try and hold up two things together.
I still
Where was
like
my glasses?
my princess.
And my lips. That's so cool. So much fun. Did you have fun making these today?
I loved it. It was so much fun. I especially love like making it too.
That is just, I love it. Guys, look at this. Look how pretty that is. That is just gorgeous. So much fun. And again, you can get creative with all the different colors and styles and designs that there are available and just play around it and have fun. It's so much fun.
Yeah, I love making also these and
Everything.
everything.
So good. So guys, we hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also check us out on our Instagram page. It's called Little Kelly and Pixie's Toys. And until next time guys, from me and Amelie, we'll see you again soon.
Bye guys!